Hello, business owners. The secret pricing strategy to double your profits. Most business owners think lowering price brings in more customers. Wrong. Here the truth. Your pricing is either doubling your profits or silently killing your business. I am Priya Sarka Prasad, a business coach. Today I am going to reveal a pricing secret that top entrepreneurs use to double, sometimes even triple their profits without spending a single rupee extra on marketing or sales. The secret is hidden in plain sight, and once you see it, you will never look at your product pricing the same way again. Here the action one, the big mistake in pricing. Let's start with the biggest mistake small and MSME business owners make. They price emotionally, not strategically. They think if I price lower, I will get more customers. Sounds logic, right? Wrong. Because customers don't just buy based on price, they buy based on perceived value. If you underprice the customers subconsciously think maybe it's a cheap, it's not a high quality. Here are the statistics. A Harvard Business Review study showed that just 1% increase in price can boost profits by 11%. That's the power of pricing. Here's the secret. You don't need more customers. You need better pricing. Action 2. The secret pricing strategy. The strategy I am taking about is called value-based pricing and anchoring. Create tiers of value. Don't just offer one price. Offer three options: basic, standard, and premium. Psychology shows that most people will pick the middle one. That means you guide them toward the price that gives you the best profit. Always a premium offer, even if you only 10% buy it. Why? Because it makes your standard price look reasonable. Focus on value, not cost. Don't price based on how much it costs you to make. Price based on the transformation or outcome of the customer. Action 3. Case study of a small business owner. One of my clients, a printing business owner, used to sell a business cards at 200 rupees per pack. He was barely surviving. I asked him to create three packages: basic 200 rupees, premium 500 rupees with better paper, deluxe 999 with embossing plus design service. Guess what happened? 70% of his customers picked the 500 rupees option. He tripled his profits within 60 days without a single new client. Action 4. Here my challenge to you. Take one of your product or service today and repackage it into three price tiers. Add a premium version. Even if no one buys it, it will make you mid-tier irresistible. Do this for just 30 days and what happens to your revenue? You will thank yourself later. Business growth is not about working harder. It's about being smarter with studies like this. If you want more profit boosting secrets like this, subscribe to my channel SpikeX and share this video with another entrepreneur who needs to hear it. Thank you.